Hello, hi. My name is Sujit. I'm a co-founder of Lean Watts. Just a background. As we know, in India, EV and renewable sectors are growing rapidly. And one of the core important things in these two sectors that is needed in India right now is power electronics and the gap in the R&D and the homegrown technology development in India. So we are solving exactly that. As the name itself says, we are focused on optimizing the power conversion of AC to DC or DC to AC. As our core expertise, we have designed, developed, and also into manufacturing of EV chargers. As you can see here, this is our core platform. We have developed by this technology by ourselves, and we have started with the two-wheeler EV charger development, and slowly we have expanded into three-wheelers and also e-tractors for that matter. So basically, where we add value to the industry. Where we add value to the industry is by developing the technology and the charging technology suitable for the Indian conditions. Different OEMs, be it the two-wheelers, three-wheelers, or tractors. Even tractors need agricultural, EVs are coming up right now, material handling EVs. All of these needs chargers for suitable for Indian conditions, right? So we are customizing as per the different OEM requirements, developing the chargers for them. We have started with chargers, like I've said. We are also slowly venturing into rectifiers. Now India needs a lot of public chargers across the country, and these public chargers again need the rectifiers, which is nothing but the core module inside which converts the AC to DC. So we are also developing and manufacturing the rectifiers by ourselves in the country. So our idea is to be a giant in power electronics. We want to develop products in the AC to DC conversion and DC to AC conversion space. Slowly, we are also venturing into hybrid inverters. This is a growing segment right now. There is a lot of BESS applications coming up. By BESS, I mean battery energy storage. Again, in the battery energy storage, there is a requirement for inverters. The energy that is stored in the batteries in the form of solar or from the grid input again has to power up our homes or our industrial industries and commercial real estate. And we also need the capability to supply the excess energy back to the grid. So that is what is our future scope as well. We have entered into the hybrid inverters with home inverters, but we will be bringing up more products from 1 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt in the inverter space as well. So that is about Lean Watts. Our focus is on chargers, rectifiers, and inverters.